guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I recorded a video. I am so busy because of the move. We moved office. I still work with the same company, but we moved to a new place, so it's been so busy and I haven't got a chance to take some videos. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this right now is because when the boys are getting something to eat, and I was planning to make a video here and show you my mini pochette. I don't know if I already have a video of my mini pochette, so here we go. This is a mini pochette monogram, and I always use this whenever I go and buy some stuff, like when I go shopping, and it's just easy. There's a lot of stuff that I can put in here. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I have this Vaseline. I got this at Shoppers Drug Mart, and I love this. It's very, just because of the weather is changing here, and I love the smell of this. It's so good. I believe I got this for $3.99. I have my lipstick here. This one, I love this. This is Tarte. I use this, and my daughter always buy me whenever I run out of this. It's the same color, same brand. Anyway, I have my key pouch here where I put all my cards and some cash. This is easy. Okay, so this is, I have this for, I think it's 2 years now, and I love it. I always use this. I have my lotion. This lotion, I got this from Christmas. It's called Crabtree and Evelyn Lily is the flavor, and it smells so good. Okay, I also have my favorite perfume, which is Marc Jacob, and the Marc Jacobs perfume. It's called Daisy Dream. Okay, I like the other one too. There's 3 in 1 pack when you buy it, and it's called Daisy. This one is I ran out of that, so I'm using this Daisy. This is very good. Okay, and when my daughters asked me, "Mom, can you give me a tweezer? Do you have a tweezer?" and I only have this bag, my mini pochette, she was surprised when she asked me if I have a tweezer, and I said, let's see if I have it. And I have this mini one. It's so cute. Look at these. See? It's very small, but I have it. I also have this one for my nail. And I also have the Cetaphil lotion because the boys, I have a twin boys, and they always wanted to have some lotion whenever we go. And this one is just garbage. And I also have, I have a Louis Vuitton perfume here, but I ran out of it. It's just a sample. Okay, that's all I have on my mini pochette. Looks like there's a lot in here that you can put. So anyway, right now we're on our way to my sister's place. The boys are getting a haircut after they pick up some food to eat, and right after that we're heading home, and see you on my next video. Talk to you later. Bye.